It's a petrified wood.
Mm.
It's a wood fossilized. We call it petrified wood.
Mm. Mm. And
What else?
so it become, that is a wood but became as a rock.
Yeah, because the siliceous mineral inside the grains of the wood, so it became a petrified wood.
So there's a siliceous mineral
Yes.
that makes it rock.
That's all. I have lot of rocks.
And that's my brother. He is a geologist. He's still employed. The company doesn't have a retirable age. See? Look at those. Those are the tiles. He made it onto the